laundromat, folding her jeans and wearing that hat. Lord, when she bent down to grab some tide, my jaw hung low and my eyes got wide. That thing was shifting, twisting, turning, tossing hearts like clothes a-burnin. I said, darling, what's your name? She just smiled and said, you'll call me Maytag, babe. She's got an ass like a washing machine. Good Lord, never saw my dick so clean. Put on the spin cycle if you know what I mean. Then crank the load size up to extreme. Took her back home for a little romance, but that thing started moving like it had its own plans. Knocked over my beer, broke a leg on my chair. Spinning so fast, blew my socks in the air. That booty swayed like a rinse and repeat. Made my poor heart start to skip a beat. I said, girl, what's your secret power? She said, I take high heat and spin for an hour. She's got an ass like a washing machine. Tumble dry low, but the grip's obscene. She'll shake, she'll rattle, she'll clean you out. Ain't no detergent strong as that bounce. Listen close, hear my plea. Find a woman with a whirlpool guarantee. Front load, top load, don't you care? Long as it's spinning, throw your dirties in there. She's got an ass like a washing machine. Never could imagine in my wildest dreams. An ass so nice, think I'm going to spout. It's a good thing she can get the stains out. Just don't overload. Oh, baby, rinse me slow. I'll be your laundry. Just don't overload.